Hello everyone, welcome to Aviation Maths Navigation videos. The question that we'll solve now states that given TAS is equal to 220 knots, magnetic course is 212 degrees, wind direction is 160 degrees magnetic, and the wind speed is 50 knots. And we need to calculate the ground speed. So given our track as 212 degrees magnetic and the wind direction is 160 degrees. That means it is coming from the left, and the angle between the wind and our track is 52 degrees. How 52? 212 degrees minus 160. So our headwind component as per method 1 scientific calculator would be cos 52 into wind speed, which is 50 knots, which will be equal to approximately 31 knots as a headwind component. This 31 knots we will subtract from 50 knots to get our ground speed. Sorry, this 31 knots we will subtract from 220 knots to get a ground speed. So 220 minus 31 will give us 189 knots as a ground speed. So the closest correct option, which corresponds to the answer we got, that is 189, would be 186 or option Charlie, as per the scientific calculator method. Next, we will solve it by using CX3. In CX3, we will go to wind correction and enter our values. So here we had our TAS as 220. So we entered 220. Track given was 212. Wind speed was given as 50 and wind direction was given as 160, and we press enter and we have got a ground speed in this case as 185.66 knots. And once again, it corresponds to option Charlie as our answer.